sometimes you might want to protect one star. So let me show you that. So we had the stars in here, and I took them out. If I just quickly make a star mask, so star exterminator to make my star mask. What I can do now is I can use the clone stamp and stamp out these very bright stars. Let's change the radius to something like 80 and the opacity to, I don't know, 40% or so. And what I can do is I can dim these stars in the mask. I could click this as many times as I like, just so that I'm really getting rid of these very bright stars, or most of them. They don't have to be completely gone. And I'm doing this at light speed. Normally I would be so much more careful doing this. But what's going to happen now is I could use this mask on this image and add color to all the other stars without blowing out these bright ones that I stamped. So I can add a ton of color to the other stars and nothing happens to the ones that I protected.